Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out of Trading 212. Logging out is a simple but important step to protect your account, especially if you're on a shared or public device. We'll walk through the process and add a few tips so you feel confident every time you sign off. Begin by opening your browser and going to apptrading212.com or launch the Trading 212 mobile app if you prefer. Give the platform a moment to load fully. Before you proceed, make sure you've reviewed anything you are working on, like checking open positions, pending orders, or settings. Logging out won't cancel open orders or close positions. They continue to run on Trading 212 servers, but you will need to sign back in to make changes. Once the platform is open, look toward the top of the screen for the main menu icon. You're looking for three horizontal lines, commonly called the hamburger menu. It's usually located in the top corner of the interface. If your window is narrow or zoomed in, the exact position may shift slightly, but it will remain on the top bar. Click or tap the three lines to open the menu. This expands a panel with options like your profile, settings, and various sections of the platform. If the menu doesn't open right away, check your internet connection, try a quick page refresh, or momentarily maximize your window to ensure the icon is visible. Inside the menu, locate the Logout option. It's typically labeled Logout and may include a small door or arrow icon to indicate sign out. Select it to start the process. This action helps ensure no one else can access your account details, watch lists, or portfolio on that device. A confirmation prompt will appear. Choose Yes to confirm and complete the sign out. You'll be returned to the sign-in screen, indicating your session has ended. Remember, simply closing the tab or the app doesn't always end a session. Using the dedicated logout option is the most reliable method. If you use multiple tabs or windows, logging out in one usually ends your session across them. If you manage more than one account type, such as Invest and CFD, logging out signs you out of the entire platform. On mobile, the steps are the same. Open the app, tap the three-line menu at the top, select Logout, and confirm Yes. For best results, keep your app up to date. That's all it takes. You've securely signed out of Trading 212.